Window units are air conditioners that are put into the window, and then you might have a separate outlet to be able to use those. The property has those. You want to bring that property up to modern day standards and put HVAC into the property. That can cost you some money, right? In this case, it's costing me about $7,000 in this property to put in a brand new HVAC unit, as well as running the ducts all through the house. Now, that's going to depend on your market again and the size of the home. You want to definitely price that stuff out in your local area to get an idea of what it's going to cost.